I will show you how this vending machine works. Example, this is the money. I will shoot this in the hole. When I shoot this, there's a soda that will come out in the tray, to the tray.
Okay, we'll try again.
Oh, it's here. Look, a soda.
How about you need to try again? I want to show it again.
I will show you how the soda pudding inside the vending machine. First, remove this. Next, we will remove this. Next, we'll put this over there and put this. And when you shoot it, the soda will come out.
Oh,
See?
that's nice. I say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.